and welcome to Better Biz. You know, all businesses these days need to pay attention to IT services in a proactive way, which is why we have got Peter Loosely, the Managing Director of Virtual IT Managed Services, with us today. Peter, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us along, Anthony.
Peter, one of the challenges that businesses face is when they move. And moving is huge for any business, particularly when you've got, you know, a significant team. I know you created a bit of a record in setting up systems in, 22 hours? Tell me a little bit about the process, though. There's a lot more to it than just a simple move, isn't it?
Yeah, no, what you're referring to is the move of Microsoft Exchange to Office 365 is what we did. It was a move of a whole mailing system for some 1,200 users. We apparently broke one of the records from Microsoft. We had it recorded as a 22-hour constant upload and managed to migrate all 1,200 users across with zero loss of emails. Now, what they don't tell in the story is that it took us 3 months of prep work to establish a baseline so that could happen, and had all of the checks and balances done, weeks and weeks and weeks of testing, verifying that everything was going to go. So on the night, it was a Friday night, we clicked the button across and the thing ran seamlessly. So yes, we achieved 1,200 transitions in 22 hours and yeah, got some good accolades for that one. But yeah, we try not to explain too much about the 3 months worth of hard yards that went before that.
But, you know, in all fairness, though, I mean, preparation is huge when it comes to this stuff. And I know that you're big on whether someone's actually moving systems, whether they're moving a physical location or, you know, any other things that are, you know, even upgrades and things that are happening in the background. Preparation is absolutely the key to making sure you get it right.
Absolutely. Preparation, project management, it all falls into the same. I mean, look, we've moved data centers for companies before. I mean, prior to my starting virtual IT, one of my roles with Tattersalls was to move one of their data centers through to Canberra and then down to Tasmania. So, and I've moved other companies into different data centers and locations. So most of it is actually pre-work, understanding what is involved, the risks, the implications, and the downtime actually to the business. And that's what you try to create as the absolute minimum, is the downtime. Risks you can always remediate, you can always work through some of the problems that you have, and it's determining also the level of risk that you're actually taking on board. But it comes down to the very first start is planning, planning, planning.
Peter, thank you again so much for joining us today. And I guess we really want to direct people to the huge amount of information that's available on your website. And there's lots of things that people can do when they go there.
Well, our website has got a vast amount of information on it now. One area is obviously the cybersecurity area. There is training information in there. There are articles. We have a massive blog page now, which has in excess of over 100 plus blog articles about all sorts of things, cybersecurity related and also systems related and industry related articles. So my recommendation would be have a look through them and sign up, and we'll send you an email notification every time we publish a new blog article.